AI is everywhere, no matter what. If you are a content creator, you need AI. If you are a manager in any sort of business, you need AI. AI is defining the how world works. And being myself content creator, I do use AI in making content, in making different sort of posts. Now, there are wide range of AI tools available, but finding a perfect tool that matches all of your criterias that include everything that you need is quite hard. Well, in this video, I bring a really cool tool for you guys, and the name of this tool is Higgsfield.ai. Again, the links are given in the description, so go and check out the link. In this video, I'm gonna share how this tool works. So from now onwards, let's get to my desktop and see how this is. Now over here, if you see on my desktop, this is Higgsfield.ai. Now there are wide range of tools available in image, video, edit, character, in Paint, Cinema Studio, motion control, AI, influencer. Now over here, there are so many videos that people created using different sort of tools, and they are literally amazing. Look at this one over here. And if I go over here, look at this one. This looks really cool. There is a guy fire in the background, and that becomes smoke, and now that changes to a different location. Really cool. People actually enjoy their creativity. They use their creativity and take the AI, using the AI to the next level. For example, this one over here, I really enjoy watching this cool video where there are so many animations going on, and the guy is skating and grabbing floors. Really cool video. So people are using AI to not only create posts for their social media content, but also using AI to create amazing posts for their business. Like if they want to shoot a product, they are doing everything with AI. So AI is actually the next big thing. Not only next big thing, I would say it has also already become a big thing. So Higgsfield.ai is a great tool that offers a wide range of different things over here. So for example, over here in the video section, I can do a lot of stuff, and it is packed with amazing tools. So if I get into the video over here, so over here, as you can see, this is the my prompt area where I can give different sort of prompts no matter what. I can choose if I want the audio or not. I can choose from here. Well, audio are always fun, so I would suggest you to go and try with the audio. Now over here is it has on or it has off. That is also completely your choice. Now there is no such tools available that offers so many wide range of models under a one platform, and Higgsfield is actually offering that. So when I tap on the model over here, you can see wide range of models available from Higgsfield Advanced Camera Controls and Effect Presets, Open ASR 2, Google View, WAN, Kling, Minimax, Halo, and Sierra. So I'm going to try a couple of them. I want to see how this, for example, I'm going to try WAN 2.6 over here. And now I also have option with this of multi-shot. Now when it comes to a multi-shot, it enhances the prompt in a much better way. So I'm going to put a prompt over here. For example, I'm going to grab, I have like a couple of prompts written over here. So I'm going to grab this prompt and I'm going to just copy over here. And let's see, I'm going to write over here. Let's do without multi-shot. Let's do for 10 seconds maybe and generate. And now it is going to generate that. And as you can see, it for now it is in queue, but in a bit it will be in progress, and then the video will be ready using the model of WAN 2.6. So I'm already loving Higgsfield. Honestly, I have tried so many different tools, but never came across such a tool that offers so many wide range of different things with the images, video, like a lot of stuff going on. So I'm just gonna wait for this one to let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so as you can see, the video is ready, and now I'm gonna play this. From here I can download a video if I want to. So I'm gonna just play this one over here. Right, just wow, it looks amazing. Like you can use such a cinematic footage in your vlogs and make your content even more interesting. So this is really great. What if I try to get any other let me try something else over here. I'm gonna copy this. And let's try some different tools this time. Maybe we're going to try Kling 2.6 now and see how that works. And with the Kling 2.6, I do have the option of audio over here, as you can see. So I just turned on the audio, as you can see, because with the audio, it is always amazing. I'm going to make it 10 seconds again. I can also change the aspect ratio if I want to do, based where I'm going to post that. And this is a different prompt with audio is on, a different model. And let's see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so my video is ready. You just saw what I did, what I gave the prompt over here. Video is ready. Let's see what it gives us. Oh, wow.
Brain always brings memories I can't escape.
Oh my God. I can't believe how real this looks. And if I want to turn off the audio, you can also do that. It's completely my choice. Over here, if you just saw, I used two different tools. I used Red 2.6 and I did use Kling and amazing videos. And now I'm gonna try out to make some image. For example, now for the images, there are different tools available. So the wide range of tools available under one platform. So Nano Banana Pro is also available. So I'm gonna select this one. A while ago I used this, a man using iPhone, and it gave me this one. I can also animate this if I want to, but I'm gonna try this out with something. I wrote something over here. Let's see. I'm gonna create artwork using Nano Banana, and let's see how this gonna work. So I'm just gonna put it on generate. Now I do have option of unlimited over here. I can try if I want to, but I'm just gonna see how this work. I can also change the ratio over here and can do more stuff. And I can also make batch sizes. For example, if I want multiple images at the same time, I can also do that if I want to. But for now, I just want to try it and see how it works. And I'm gonna select this artwork looks amazing. So now I'm gonna try something else. Maybe I'm gonna add, let's see. I'm gonna add this one and let's see how this works out. And maybe this time I'm gonna do 16:9 ratio, and maybe I'm gonna increase the quality, and maybe gonna do multiple batches this time to see how this works. So I'm gonna generate it, and let's see. Now as you can see, I selected 4 over here. I want the batch size to be 4, and now it is creating 4 different images based on the same prompt using the Nano Banana Pro model. So let's see how this turns out. So you just saw I give a prompt of ultra realistic cinematic portrait of a man standing in rain, and I tried in 2K with 16:9 ratio, and they came out really great. Look at it, the blur is real. It looks so realistic. It not give you a feel of AI. It feels so realistic. That is what I love about this tool. Just look at this image. You can create wallpapers, you can create a lot of stuff, you can create different kind of stuff and use those in business, generate business using this tool, which is why I love this tool. Again, the tool is Higgsfield.ai. There is a lot of stuff that is available with this tool. Honestly, as you can see, it's hard to cover everything in a single video. If you guys want, I might make more videos in the future. But again, try out this tool, Higgsfield.ai. Links are given in the description. Go and check out. Make sure to create content. Make sure to use this tool to grow your content, and also share the stuff with me and how it is helping you. Again, Higgsfield.ai. Links are given in the description.